Okay, that's really hot. I like that. Nice little T-Rex action. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out four-wheeling today with the trucks and not planning to get stuck, but what we want to do is try out our new traction boards. These are the old Smitty built units and they're obviously junk. That's from getting wifey's pickup truck out of the snow this year. And these are the new XBull ones. So I don't want to get stuck, but we're definitely going to see if they hold up in semi-winter conditions. But yeah, we got the 4Runner, got Brent's FJ, and Eric's 4Runner as well. So should be a good day. Stay tuned. So just heading down the Trans-Alta road here. Spring is definitely coming. I mean, last weekend we were out on the ice with the STI, and now it's bare full width on Trans-Alta here for the trucks. So spring comes fast, and then decides it maybe wants a little bit of a break in Alberta. So we're still expecting to get at least one, if not two, major snowfalls. But yeah, so fun. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. We got the mountains right here. Kind of a bluebird day, kind of not, but yeah, we got through that first ice thing. Eric took point. Now we're just going down into the Ghost Ravine, estuary. Hopefully we'll get out by some of the ice falls here later on. They started going slideways. Well, you guys were descending.
Yeah, let's not repeat Margaret Lake ever.
So we made it down into the Ghost. It's beautiful here. Like, look at this. And we're gonna head out that way to take a look at some of the ice climbing routes. I don't know if they're still good right now. It's warmed up quite a bit in the last week, so we'll see. But it's just gorgeous down here. It was at this point that we picked up our new friend Taco Steve 85. He was traveling alone, and we decided that it would be better if he hung with us for the day. You guys want to go over and get a photo in front of the falls? So we made it out to the falls. They're amazing. We got the whole team here, and then we had the new Defender just behind the Tundra show up. And amazing day. Clouds cleared just at the right moment, but yeah, not bad for a Sunday afternoon at Calgary. Okay, this is not staged. I parked. We had lunch. And now I'm stuck. So I'm gonna use the traction boards. Okay. So these are the same. I got these off Amazon. Put the link in the description. But now you can buy them at Canadian Tire for 30 bucks more. So we'll see if they're any good. Ronnie Dahl uses these things, or uses Max Tracks in the sand down in Australia. They work fine. But how do they work in Canada? In the snow, in the ice. Can't believe I got stuck here like this. Come on. Yeah, you guys are real helpful. Even the camera guy's laughing. Okay, I'm gonna try backing this up. I don't even understand why I'm stuck though. Like, that's the thing. You're useless.
The front's not spinning at all, so.
Front's not spinning at all.
The front tires aren't moving.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so now we're in four-wheel drive low with ATAC on, which is Toyota's traction control system.
It was starting to come up on the other side.
Ice or something underneath the tires.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Okay, so we got the old Smitty belt traction boards on the back, and we got the XBulls on the front. We're gonna see how we get through this.
This is going to be the one.
I'm gonna try real hard, Mom. Oh yeah. No, seriously, like they didn't work.
There's your tire track, and there's your
There's
XBull.
the board.
That went sideways.
Went sideways. They have any nibs left on them? They have nibs left on them.
What's up, Jack?
That's probably what we were hung up on. Okay, well, they're not the greatest, and the Smitty belts as broken as they are, so I'm gonna give it a not good. So yeah, everyone else is saying it's not good.
One shovel.
That's sad. Okay, well, hey, we got this done though, so good stuff. We're gonna head out of here. I got a salmon to cook on the barbecue. As always, nail that subscribe button, graze the like button, and comment. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.